Want to know how to start a quick build or start with an idea in Replit? So if you are running out of ideas, if you want to experiment how Replit works, and so you want to build anything quickly, so this video is for you. So first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. So once you have opened it up, here you should be seeing your current interface right here. So simply select create app first up right here, and now once you have selected create app, here you should be seeing your prompt right here, and once you scroll down here you should be seeing sketch app. So once you have selected various builds that you can try from design portfolio all the way to order, so you can just select any one of these, select, and it should start creating app automatically, and it should build, it should plan, and it should build where you can just simply interact with it now. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily create your own builder in Replit AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.